So here we have him, Gilberto, the master of extensions, Le Creme de la Creme. How did you get that title?
Oh, working very hard. I actually, for 33 years, all I do is perfect everything that I get in my hands. I travel all over the world. Companies that I have worked with send me different countries in the world, between China and France and Europe, anywhere in the United States. And what I do is I train hairstylists that are in the same business. I'm a specialist in hair replacement and in hair extensions. So everything that we do here is private rooms, and we specialize in make women's. That's what my main goal is, make women look gorgeous, feminine, and beautiful, and make the hair grow while they have hair extensions. Coming in here, we do everything inside the room. And then by the time she get out of here, her hair looks just gorgeous. Nobody knew that she has hair extensions or any problem. You know, it could be hair replacement for women that have cancer, or alopecia, which I'm a specialist in alopecia, which I'm one of the top stylists that design the lace, which is what I have on. I'm completely bald on the top of my head. And then I lost my hair when I was 23 years old. And thank God to this career that I have, I got into it. And then when I got so happy seeing me with hair again, I say, I got to bring this to other people. I got to share. Instead of doing a braid like everybody else do, all the hair weavers do, that's why I don't call myself hair weaver. I'm a specialist in hair extensions. I have about 12 techniques that I use depending on the person. So what I just say is that she hardly gonna feel this, and when I bring her hair down, she hardly gonna feel it because her own hair gonna be on top of the braid. So when she touch it, she hardly feel this. Oh, now we're finishing. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna layer and blend in the hair extensions with the hair, with her natural hair.
And I am extremely satisfied. Thank you so much, Gilberto.
Thank you. It's a pleasure for me to make you look gorgeous.